Good afternoon, everybody. Ryan Cox here, ninth grade early world history teacher. Here to tell you a couple of the things that I really enjoy and love about what we do here at Cristo Rey Baltimore. We have all really bought into the mission statement. And what we're trying to do is we are trying to empower students to take ownership of their education, and not just while they're high school students, but to continue on with embracing that gathering of knowledge to make change in society for whatever comes after they leave the hallways of Cristo Rey. We know that our students need to continue to learn, and what we try to do is to listen to the students' voices about some of the issues that are of concern in their communities so that they can learn how to be empowered and to mobilize and to find the resources that can address those needs. We love how we have developed the curriculum to embrace a lot of those real life skills that are needed in order to be successful. We encourage our students to really embrace the capstone project that all of our seniors are required to fulfill, in where students do research and come up with some sort of an action plan on an issue of social justice that they are passionate about or what they've witnessed in their communities. Also, the fact that our students get to be engaged with our corporate internship project and gaining that real world life experience on developing a lot of those skills that are really needed to be successful in life in the professional world, but might not get that much time to really harness and develop in the classroom. We approach education for the whole body, mind, and soul of each student. And that's a really important perspective to have as an educator, where it's not just about mathematics, it's not just about history, it's not just about physical education, but we are here to create well-rounded, engaged, informed citizens. And we realize that that starts in these teenage years, and that really sets the trajectory for how you approach life beyond Cristo Rey. So I highly encourage you guys to look at our school, look at our program, to become a part of Cristo Rey Baltimore, because we are Hornets and we fly, and we need more people in our hive because there's a lot of work to do. And we want to help those students embrace that role. So consider Cristo Rey. Peace.